In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use shortcuts in TradingView. Shortcuts can make your charting and trading workflow dramatically faster by reducing the number of clicks you need for common actions. We'll start by finding where everything lives, then walk through several essential keys you can use right away. And finally, look at how the shortcuts are organized so you can discover more on your own and customize where it's available. Begin on any chart in TradingView in the top right corner. Click your profile name to open the main menu. From that drop-down, select Keyboard Shortcuts. This opens a dedicated panel that lists all available hotkeys. Think of this as your command map. It's a quick reference you can keep open while you work. And it's the place where, depending on your plan and platform, you may be able to adjust certain keys to match your preferences. If you do customize, choose combinations that don't conflict with your operating system or other apps so everything triggers reliably. Let's cover a few high-impact shortcuts you can start using immediately to open the order panel. Press Shift+T. This brings up the trading ticket so you can place orders without hunting through menus. If you are ready to buy, press Shift+B. For a sell order, press Shift+S. These are especially useful when markets move quickly and you want to act decisively. As a best practice, confirm your quantity and order type before submitting. And consider practicing with a paper trading account so you get comfortable with the flow. When you want to add or manage indicators, press the / key. That opens the indicator menu right on top of your chart. So you can search and apply tools without breaking your focus. To create an alert, press Alt+A. This opens the alert dialog where you can set your condition. Choose how you want to be notified and define an expiration. Alerts help you step away from the screen while staying on top of key levels or indicator signals. And when you need to capture what you are seeing, press Alt+S to take a chart snapshot. This is great for journaling trades or sharing an idea. On some keyboards, the Alt key may be labeled Option. Back in the Keyboard Shortcuts panel, explore the categories to build your muscle memory. You'll see charting for navigation and scaling, drawing for trend lines and annotations, trading for order actions, and watch list for browsing and managing symbols. Spend a few minutes scanning each section and try the keys that match your routine. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for watching and happy charting.